Of Team Anna now, and after a Sunday of acrimony and drama with a core team member Mufti Shamoom Kazmi being expelled and talks of a rift over Anna Hazare's tie-up with Baba Ramdev, Anna this morning has flown back to his home in Ralegan Sidhi, but only after continuing to wrap the issue in double-speak. While Anna has denied that there is no rift over Ramdev, he also clarified that he and Ramdev would not be touring the country together, but maybe sharing the stage in certain situations.
मैं पहले से बताया कि हम साथ में नहीं घूमेंगे, लेकिन काला धन वापस आना और लोकपाल लोक आयुक्त बिल, इसके लिए उन्होंने सपोर्ट करना, हम काले धन को हम सब इकट्ठा होकर ये लड़ेंगे, उसमें कोई बदलाव नहीं। अभी मेरा महाराष्ट्र का टूर खत्म होने के बाद जब हम देश में घूमेंगे, कई जगह पर हो सकता है जहां हम इकट्ठा आ जाएंगे तो स्टेज में होंगे, वो अलग नहीं, क्योंकि करप्शन को खत्म करने की जो लड़ाई है वो ये देश के समाज के लिए बहुत जरूरी है। हम आपस में मतभेद क्यों करना।
हम लोगों ने लोकपाल और भ्रष्टाचार के खिलाफ एक आंदोलन छेड़ा हुआ है, उस पर बाबा रामदेव समर्थन करते हैं, लेकिन कोई हम लोगों का ना तो साझा प्लेटफॉर्म ना कोई साझा कैंपेन इस पर नहीं है, लेकिन इन दोनों मुद्दों पर एक दूसरे का समर्थन है जो कि देश के मुद्दे हैं।
Well, let's go across to Alok for more on that. Alok, since yesterday, there's of course been major talk of how there's a rift within some members of the core team Anna, that they're uncomfortable, and that it was basically a unilateral decision of Anna Hazare's to actually sort of tie up with Baba Ramdev.
Well, yes, I think two important points to be noted, Gargi. One, the fact that Anna Hazare has chosen to fly out today itself instead of staying back for a meeting or a press conference that was scheduled earlier. In the evening, we believe that Team Anna was actually going ahead and announcing a charge sheet against a few ministers in the UPA government, but that plan has been shelved for now because Anna Hazare has taken a flight early in the morning. Now, the other important point, of course, the fact that there are serious differences of opinion about Anna's association with Ramdev in the coming days. We do know that they are certainly sharing the stage in Delhi itself at Jantar Mantar in June, where they have announced plans for a one-day token fast. So this sharing of stage is certainly happening, but what perhaps Team Anna does not want, some members of Team Anna do not want, is for Anna Hazare to go and actually be seen widely and largely with Ramdev as he takes his battle against corruption to the country, as he tours the country. So that is why perhaps Anna Hazare coming out with a clarification that he will not tour the country with Baba Ramdev, but yes, he may be seen on stage with him. But it is safe to say that there is still ambiguity, there is confusion about what stand Team Anna actually wants to take regarding their association with Baba Ramdev, and that is why you have all these statements coming out from their camp.
Right, Alok, thanks so much for joining us with that.
Do you have the NDTV Profit app? All the markets, all the news and your own homemade, ready-made portfolio available there for you.
We will right now answer what you should sell, what you should buy when markets are down.
Download at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Get the best app from the channel you trust.